Well, yan nga ang dapat nila i-answer properly, no? Pero I would still believe that it is an act of God, no? It's an act of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala kasi because of that incident at saka yung clear attempt on their part to serve the warrant of arrest, sa amin po at saka subsequently when this was confirmed by the ICC itself, parang nabunutan ako ng tinik. Why? Because it was really a challenge on our part to prove that there is already a warrant of arrest so that the Supreme Court now would have the necessary evidence, the necessary proof, if you would like to term it at that the arrest warrant is existing and issued by the ICC. Noon kasi, puro lang kami conjecture. Puro lang kami, you can call it as a conjecture. Puro statements. Ang first na nagpalabas niyan in November of 2025 was Ombudsman Rimulya. And we used that in the manifestation that we filed in the Supreme Court then. But then again, I would understand that why the Supreme Court would not act on our TRO yet because there was no proof indeed that there is an ICC warrant. So, nung pinakita na mismo ni Mr. Antonio Trillanes na meron ngang warrant and kinonfirm ng ng ICC in the evening of May 11, then there is no more doubt as to the existence of the warrant of arrest. And the existence of the warrant of arrest and in fact the recognition on the part of the executive department that there is a warrant of arrest should be differentiated from enforcement of warrant of arrest, such that if they justify it on the foreign affairs power on the part of the executive department, or through his presidential powers on the part of the executive department, once it involves deprivation of liberty within Philippine soil, we will follow Ho versus People, Achacoso versus Salazar versus Achacoso rather, that such instances should now pass through our Philippine courts. It has to be the Philippine court warrant of arrest that would bind Senator Bato de la Rosa. Since that was not validated by a Philippine court, since that was not issued by a Philippine court, in the light of the fact that we do not have the surrender procedural mechanism which is required under supposedly Article 88 and 89 of the Rome Statute, even that, would require that all state parties should have their own procedural mechanism insofar as the assistance, the necessary assistance insofar as member states are concerned, wala tayong procedural mechanism. So, bawal na bawal po yung pag-attempt and ongoing effort to arrest Senator Bato de la Rosa. So, we interposed our objection as lawyers. Attorney Jimmy Bondo has likewise argued against the implementation of any ICC warrant of arrest if not issued by a Philippine court judge, if not confirmed or validated by a Philippine judge.